We've talked a lot about geothermal energy, but did you know there are different types of geothermal systems? In this video, we'll break down the main categories based on how we use the Earth's heat for generating electricity, for large-scale heating, and for heating and cooling individual buildings. Let's start with electricity. As we've learned, geothermal power plants use very high temperature resources, hot water and steam, to generate electricity. These resources are typically found in geologically active areas, and we have to drill deep to reach them. These power plants are complex and expensive, but they provide a reliable 24/7 source of clean energy for the grid. Now, not all high-temperature geothermal resources are used for electricity. In many places, the hot water is used directly for heating. This is called direct use. A fantastic example is the district heating system in Iceland. They drill into high temperature geothermal reservoirs and pipe that super hot water through a network to heat about 90% of the city's buildings. So, while this is a heating application, it relies on the same kind of high temperature resource as a power plant. But what if you don't live on a volcano? You can still use geothermal energy. This is where low temperature systems, often called geoexchange or geothermal heat pumps, come in. Geoexchange systems don't need scorching hot water. Instead, they use the fact that the ground is just a few feet down stays at a relatively constant temperature all year round. These systems don't create heat from a hot source, they move heat. In the winter, a heat pump uses a small amount of electricity to pull this ambient heat from the ground and concentrate it to warm your house. In the summer, it reverses the process, pulling heat from your house and transferring it into the cooler ground. It's incredibly efficient and can be installed almost anywhere. So let's recap the three main ways we use geothermal energy. Electricity generation, like using very hot steam or water from deep wells to create power. And then we have direct use heating. This is using very hot water from deep wells to heat entire communities, like in Iceland. And then our third main way is geoexchange. This is using the stable temperature of the shallow ground to efficiently heat and cool individual buildings. By understanding these different systems, we can see how flexible geothermal energy truly is, offering powerful solutions for the grid and for our homes. Thanks for watching.